This is the exact bot, the exact settings, and the exact strategy that I used to make over $6,000 on Polymarket by doing absolutely nothing. Now, first off, the bot we're using is PolyOrb. This is one of the fastest trading bots for Polymarket, but their strength is the Oracle mode and the prediction insiders. Now, Oracle mode is basically their model for Polymarket, so the bot can trade automatically. And the best part about this bot is that it's not some bullshit fucking get rich quick scheme. The way the model works, the way their engine or slash the Oracle mode works, it's very simple and it will make you money consistently over a period of time. Obviously, it's not financial advice and do your own research, but how the Oracle mode works, also their website, I linked it down in the description below, but their website is just absolutely beautiful. But this Oracle mode, the way it works is, first off, you have to understand what a BTC up/down 5-minute market does, right? So the Oracle mode is only available for the BTC 5-minute market, but the 5-minute market asks one question: will BTC finish this window above its opening price? You know, like the strike. At any moment, the fair probability of up depends on three things: where Bitcoin is now relative to the strike, how volatile Bitcoin has been, which is, you know, measured live, and how much time is left in the window. Now, this is really amazing. The engine computes that fair probability continuously from live BTC price data. When Polymarket's odds drift meaningfully away from fair, beyond fees and noise, that's an edge, and it trades the cheap side. So it's not some fucking get rich quick bullshit like I see the other bots trading. I actually made money off of this. I made 6,000 like one vid back, although that might have been luck, because their engine works off fair probability. Some of the time the bot skips a 5-minute market, so it just does no trade. So if there's no edge, there's no trade. And this strategy has been back tested like a lot of times, and people have made money from it apparently. I know I have. I linked everything in the description down below. Make sure you're on the official polyorb.app site. It is a Telegram bot, but this site also explains its other features. So to get started, simply just want to go on the Oracle mode. Well, first you have to create a wallet, right? So you can either import a wallet or generate a wallet. I recommend you generate a new wallet. That would be the best thing for any trading bot in general, although it's up to you. So I generated the wallet's loading in. All right, wallet created. Now I'm gonna send like $100 to this wallet, and I'm also gonna reveal the private key once. Once you reveal the private key, it'll be deleted after like 2 seconds. Then you can never ever view your private key again. So make sure that if you do reveal your private key, that you save it somewhere, because you won't be able to view it again. But okay, I'm gonna send $100 to this wallet. Be right back. All right, I've sent $100 to this bot. Okay, just roughly under 199.87. And there are a crap ton of features about this bot. You know, prediction insiders, which gives you picks on the best markets. Although I'm gonna only be covering the auto trading feature in this bot / the Oracle mode, because that's the most powerful one. But this is very powerful as well. It gives you picks and you make like maybe 20, 30, 40% each trade. You know, it depends obviously, but we're going to be focusing on the Oracle mode in this vid. So I'm going to press it. And okay, this is their flagship auto trading model. They've trained an advanced mathematical algorithm. Basically what I explained, they also fed it hundreds of thousands of resolutions on Polymarket apparently. And what they claim is if you trade $100, you will get back roughly $15 in profit consistently. But I asked the owner what this means, and they basically just mean that if you place 100 $1 trades, statistically, the way they backtested it is that of those 100 trades, you will get back 115 essentially. But obviously take that with a grain of salt. Okay, I'm going to add strategy. And like I said, they only have the BTC 5-min version up right now, but they also will have a prediction insiders auto trade and a market odds auto trade, although BTC is the faster one, the one you can make more money with, and it's the only one they have live right now actually. All right, so I'm gonna go on it. Okay, BTC 5-minute Oracle mode, automatic BTC 5-minute up/down trading. Their insider engine assigns a fair value edge against the current live prediction, and it only trades when mathematically either side of up/down has a higher chance of resolving. So kind of what I explained earlier. So tap launch, pick your risk tier, and go for the settings to fully optimize your Oracle mode strategy. So I'm gonna launch. And how much of your bankroll should each BTC 5-minute trade stake? Now this is very important, okay? If you want to play it safe, you can do 5% per trade. It'll trade up to 5%. It's not that it will trade 5%, it'll trade up to 5%. So 5% per trade is safe, conservative is 10% of your entire bankroll, aggressive is 15%, degen 25%, and YOLO, where it goes 5 to 50% per trade, and the model decides it. So that's a very risky one, but there's, you know, higher swings, meaning you can make more money. So also says it here, higher percentage equals bigger swings, faster, and, you know, pick your poison. Also, there is a minimum $1 per trade Polymarket's limit. So smaller bankrolls trade the $1 floor anyways. But I'm gonna pick conservative. Okay, but okay, it shows our bankroll, the risk, and make sure auto redeem winnings is on. It's always on by default, but just make sure. And if you just press start, it'll start trading. So I'm gonna press it, and okay, now it's on. Now this can take a bit of time. Maybe it'll buy in instantly. Sometimes it, skips like 2 or 3 trades in a row. Really depends on when you're running it. And okay, our bot bought in a yes share at 19 cents for $9.99, and now we can either sell manually or buy more. But importantly, you want to check out the live chart. You could leave this like off. Okay, just resolved. You could leave this on and just let it cook all night. That is something some people do. I like to just view it though, because then you can also manually buy and sell. I'll show you guys once this market resolves. Okay, we apparently made a $41 profit off of that. I couldn't view the live chart, unfortunately. But we made a 4x already. But our bot bought in another auto trade. So I'm going to check out the live chart. It bought no at 55 cents. And I can see that we are up like $5 or $6. Yeah, bought in right here. And the best part about this bot compared to other bots is that you have this chart, which is very, very accurate. And you can also buy manually and sell manually while the auto trader is on. So if I want to sell, for example, my position right now, let's say I want to sell 50%, right? Almost what we put in. I just press sell down and it sold 50%, as you can see. And I'm gonna just sell everything again. Once we're at 90 cents, let's just wait for it to cook and sell. And perfect. And now the position is closed. And if you want, we can just scalp trade it a bit as well. Let's say there is a dip. I mean, I don't think so, because we got like a minute left and BTC is like 100 under the up target, if you know what I'm trying to say. But just for educational purposes, I'll put in $1.05. I'll buy up and boom, RTX filled. And now if we want to sell up, I'm gonna sell it right here. Okay, and we're out. So I literally did like 2 trades only, and we're already up $50. And there's proof. Here's the chart. So I'm gonna just go downstairs real quick. I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna put the chart here, and we'll see how it goes. All right, I'm back, and we can see that the auto trader thing didn't place any trade because there's just no edge in the market. As you can see, the market also is pretty volatile right now. Oh, and speaking of, it actually bought no right now at 22 cents. We are like down 50% now. It is what it is. Like, the bot isn't, like I said, it's not a guaranteed way, right? But statistically, if you trade this over time, you should make a profit, right? But take that with a grain of salt, of course. But I mean, I made like $50 instantly. With this one, we are kind of down a lot. But that's what it is. It is what it is. You just have to let it cook, right? In my previous vids, I let it cook for way longer and it made me money. We're already in a profit here. I'm just gonna fully sell this right here. We're gonna get like 50 cents, maybe, not even. And sometimes, and this actually happened to me, it bought in at 3 cents in the last like 30 seconds. And then the BTC price shot up like in the last 30 seconds. And I put in like $200. Well, the auto trade put in like $200 at 3 cents. I was putting in 5% safe value, and it hit. I actually recorded that in the previous vid. So you just gotta let it cook, and you obviously gotta have a solid bankroll. So if you have a losing streak, like let's say you won't be out within 2 or 3 trades, if you understand what I'm trying to say. Like $100, I'd say, is like the minimum. I mean, you can do it with 50, right? $50. But if you want to just try it out, and I mean properly try it out, I'd say $100. When I was training with like 2,000 or 3,000, but obviously that's, way more risky. But if you want, you can put in like $1 or $2, test it out, it'll work. But yeah, boys, that's how you use the auto trader bot. I'm gonna cover more vids on PolyOrb. Our PNL is 38.54 USD. It was up like $50, but we lost $10 here. But anyways, boys, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Spend a lot of time making these vids, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.